Again, the ruck area is a very contested area today. Lots of numbers there. Being carried over here. He bumps from his first defender. And he's going to go over for...
Wat sê die skeieregter hier so, dit is Elberg 2 wat die bal pragtig terugkry. Wat hy kom hy deur gehaping. Hy vorder tot
That's a good feed to the scrum. Helderberg get their first job done now. They get the ball out. Number 12, Kerry steps inside. Kerry strong again. Now the number 12 here, he's a very good player from Helderberg. Always carry strong, always direct. Lovely hands, gets it off there. Now they get it out to the try scorer, number 12, who scored earlier. He still goes, he's on his feet now. Gets the offload over the top, the basketball pass. Oh, that ball goes forward from the Martish. We couldn't gather this one. The number 12 we saw earlier, he's been impressive all day. They feed it all the way to the back, goes over the top. Misses all the jumpers. And Martish with a good hand, soft hands there, lovely. The number 12 again, the inside level. Gets into the 22. Where's the support now? The number 12 on his feet. He gets a vital turnover there. There's some brilliant breakdown work there from number 12. He's certainly a player to be watched out in the future. Number 12 gets it. Here we go. Number 12 again. Very impressive play. Helderberg still they go with the ball in hand. Dancing feet there. Left, right. Still on their feet. The number 10 spins it out to number 12. Finds a bit of space. Gets to number 6. To number 23. Gets the ball. Pumps from his first defender. Second defender. Third defender. And a try. Wow. Great strength there from the number 23. It looks like a try. In fact, it's held up. Wow. Great defense there.